Chapter 1 Introduction. Welcome to Beginning MindStack. This book focuses on the key tasks and concepts to get you started to learn and build MindStack application in a faster pace. It is designed for readers who don't need all the details about Men at this point in the learning curve, but concentrate on what you really need to know. So what's the MindStack? The MindStack is a popular stack of technologies for building a modern single-page application. Mind stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Node.js is one of the most popular server-side frameworks that allows us to execute JavaScript code in a web server. Express is a web application framework for Node.js, which makes application development in Node easier and faster. Node and Express together form the middle tier web server of the stack. MongoDB is a NoSQL database which stores persistently in the form of collections and documents. React is a JavaScript front-end library to build user interfaces. MERN is derived from the popular main stack, which is MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node, where instead of using the Angular front-end framework, we use React. Another popular variant is the MEVN, where we use Vue as the front end. Those front ends make up single-page applications which avoid reloading the page entirely and just fetches relevant portions of the page from the server to display new content. So the app we will be building. We'll be building a movie reviews app which lets users view and search for movies. They can also log in and post reviews on the movies. Users can see the list of reviews in a movies page and post, edit, delete their own review if they are logged in. They will not be able to edit, delete others' reviews though. Through this app, we will learn a lot of concepts and solidify our Node.js, Express, React, and MongoDB knowledge. We will first talk about MongoDB and how to host our databases in the cloud using MongoDB Atlas. We will then create the back end of the app using Node.js and Express. Our server will interact with the database using the native MongoDB JavaScript library. After that, we will create the front end with React and connect the front end to the back end to complete our MindStack app. In the last chapter, we will deploy our Node Express backend on Heroku and React front end on Netlify to run both backend and front end in the cloud. So the overall structure of our app will be the M of the stack MongoDB will be hosted on MongoDB Atlas. The E and N, which is Express and Node, runs the backend server and exposes an API hosted on Heroku. The R React front end calls the API and renders the user interface on the client's browser hosted on Netlify. We'll be going through MongoDB database layer in the next chapter.